Good afternoon, August the 29th, 2016, part 2 of our afternoon commentary, starting with the bond through the euro. Okay, a very, very strong day today in the Treasuries. They were up, indexes were up, and the reaction after people thought about Yellen's statements on Friday and reading all the new articles out over the weekend was that, well, maybe the Fed can't raise interest rates. So we've got resistance basically at the buck to 04. That would be sell 1. So a little bit higher. S1 will be 7 to 11. S2 15 to 19. The news starts on Wednesday, and Friday's news with non-farm payroll should tend to hold the market in check. First little place of support is going to be 20 to 24. So buying 13s to 17s, buy 1, and then picking up 1 to 5 for buy 2. The news, Case Shiller up a tenth, and consumer confidence at 97.3. That's a big number. There's room for disappointment in that consumer confidence number. Okay, looking at gold. Lower high, lower low, the market can sell, no doubt. I think we're going to get to 29, probably in London. We talked about it all day long, so right here's the draw. Selling 29s to 31s, sell 1. 34, 36, sell 2. On the buy side, and 23, 25, pick up this area right in here. Put all this together, it's still a B. And then 19 to 21 just gets down to how much chaos, how much scary news is out there. And it just, between now and January the 20th, whenever the new president takes over, every dictator in the world, every tin horn, every guy that bribes, I mean, every bad element in the world is going to get as much as they can get from the United States, because we're actually encouraging it. And these people aren't any fools. I mean, they know what makes their world go round. So, still trading range. If we fail at 30, we want to get short to see if we can't take the market lower. Looking at crude oil. In a trading range, and I mean, you really see it right here, perhaps. That would encapsulate a little better. So a seller above 48.50 and perhaps a buyer below 46.50, or maybe below 46. Trying to sell right now. So lower high, lower low. Look for a place to sell it. The F2 screen. Again, if we put all of this together, we're really dealing with a B. And we've got support down here just right below 46.50. So we didn't quite make it to 25. If I put all of this together, still looking at a B, so I'm going to make 47 even. Well, let's just make 47.15, 47.25, sell 1, and 50 to 75, sell 2. We'll tighten it up on the sell side. And basically 47.25 to 75 on the buy side. 46.50 to 40.75, 46.75 served us well this morning. That is support. And 46 even, 46 and a quarter. But contango, again, we talked about that earlier, is actually a bullish situation. People see that the oversupply is coming to an end. Several of the articles that we've looked at recently say that inventories will start to draw this fall. And if prices are going to stabilize and trade here, that needs to happen. And last but not least, the euro. Lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. Certainly isn't happening very quickly. Definitely not fast enough for me. And looking at the got a B with a move in I period higher, so maybe a little bit higher. We had 112 even today as our sell. It took forever to get there, so sell 1. 112 even, sell 2. 25. On the buy side, we'll just leave our 75. Buy 1. And 50 for buy 2. And that's it for this August 29th, 2016. I hope you all have a great evening. We'll get after it again early tomorrow. I doubt if trading conditions will be any better tomorrow. In fact, if you had a last minute trip you wanted to take or go enjoy the lake with friends and family one more time, and you can do it during the week, I would urge you on. See you bright and early in the morning. Y'all have a great evening.